How to sync Dropbox files on your computer. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Microsoft Store, and then in here we'll have to search for Dropbox. After that, we'll have to tap on this one, and then in here as you can see it says open since I have already installed the app on my laptop or PC. But if you haven't installed the app, in here you will see the install option. What you need to do is to tap on the install option, and then you'll just have to wait for the app to be installed on your laptop or PC. Once you're done installing the app, what you need to do is to go back, and then in here we'll have to tap on this PC shortcut, and then in here you will now see this Dropbox folder. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here we will automatically see our Dropbox files. If you want to sync Dropbox files automatically on your computer, all you need to do is to download the Dropbox app on your laptop or PC. So, as an example, I'm going to create a new folder here. To do that, we'll have to right-click, tap on the new option, and then tap on the folder option. After that, I'm just gonna add a name for the folder. As an example, I'm gonna type here Secretary Report, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna open my browser, search for Dropbox.com, and then log in my account. Once logged in, what I need to do is to tap on the refresh icon to refresh my account. And then in here, as you can see, the Secretary Report folder automatically appeared here. So that's how easy we can sync Dropbox files on computer. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.